Okay, what are we doing? What do we find? All kinds of interesting stuff, huh? Oh look, Roxy's going for a walk.
Yeah, how about that?
In the downtown area of Redding, California. Clover Creek Preserve.
And whose idea was it to go for a walk?
Yours, amazingly.
Yeah. So, what are you doing?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Oh, the dogs decided to take me for a drag.
Oh, I thought it was I decided to take you for a walk.
This is how you walk a Jack Russell.
Some wild birdies down here. All kinds of ducks in the water. Now, enjoying a bit of nature. All the little ducks and the birds and stuff. There's one going to sleep. He's got his head stuck under his wing. Standing on one leg. It looks like he only has one leg. They all seem to be having a little snoozy. It's that time of the afternoon.